Welcome to the in front of me OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant to power button on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down with your finger to the buttons and gestures section. Now just go here to the press and hold the power button and switch the power menu to the voice assistant, and now just with the press for a few seconds your power button, you can enable the Google Assistant. And as can you see, right now our Google Assistant is activated. And if you wanna just turn it off, just tap here again to the power menu, and now when you'll just press and hold for a while your power button, you'll just enter the power menu. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.